Welcome to DataWitzz. Hello friends. In this video, we will learn about grouping and items in Excel pivot table. So let us start this by creating a pivot table. So first thing is we will create our pivot table. How to create a pivot table? It's very easy. We will go in insert. Then there's an option table. In table there's a pivot table and then again a pivot table. So we will click here. It asks us the range of the data. So actually we have this data in a tabular form. So it automatically takes table name as CS. Now where we need to put this data? So it asks either it is a new sheet or the existing sheet. We can use an existing sheet and we can put a value whatever we want. So from here the pivot table will start. So in our case we will do it in a new worksheet. So let us click OK. So we came in a new sheet. Now we will create our pivot. So we put in rows. This is so to understand it. So we put it in rows. Call duration is in rows. The values will be upsell. How many upsell was done in this particular time, in 1 second, in 2 second, and whatever values are. Then we can put products in columns. So here it is columns. It is row, and these are values. Now, as these values are in continuous form, it's quite difficult for us to understand these numbers and to remember these numbers, how many upsell was done in how many seconds. So, for the convenience of reading the data, we will create group out of this call duration. So, to create a group, we can use right click, then group option. So a new pop-up box will come. We can use another option also, that is in the pivot table analyze. Here we can use group selection or group fill. Let us suppose we use group selection. So again a new box came. It asks three different values to make group. So it is starting at what should be the first value of the first group. Ending at means the last value of the last group. And by symbolizes what is the difference between the first value and second value in every categories, in every group. So it is a auto populated value. We will use the same value and click OK. Now we can see how these groups are being made. So if we see the first group, the first value was 1 and the by value was 10. So first value is 1 and there's a gap of 10. So 1 to 10 is the first group. Then again 11 to 20, again a gap of 10 value. Then again to 21 to 30 and so on. And the last value that we have put there was 102. But here it is showing 110. Why? It is very simple. Because we have put by as 10. 100 was the last value. So 100% becomes 110. So in this video, we learn about how to create group. Group helps us to understand data in a proper way. It is easy to remember the values. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, kindly subscribe my channel and share it with others. Thank you for watching.